Ayi wazi wayidlisa iChiefs uMiguel wavela wakhahlela umoya wayeka ibhola kanti ipurpose yongena egroundini ukhahlela ibhola noma ukhahlela umoya yazi ukhipha ushukela etiyeni yazi mina I doubt ukuthi leli bhola belikhahlela ngempela belizophuma noma belizokhahlela umdlalo because iaim yokhipha ibhola if kunabantu beseduze kwakho eboxini either uliseceleni noma ulibhamuza leya phezulu nokuthi ukuthi ulibuyisele kuba abadlali laba maybe bengenza ukuthi likhahlela abadlali bounce lingene netini ilapho ke iChiefs eluze khona igame ngomzuzu ka87 yathola igoal kanjalo ke iAl Masry yathatha 3 points but ke overall bafowethu iChiefs idlala kahle kakhulu more special sengena uVilakazi ifika bane contribution enhle kakhulu but with selfish kancane yabona umahlelo ungisa kancane eselfishini bakhe sometimes ubuyisebenza le team khona le chance akayitholile engena nabo eboxini cishe shaya igoli elifana nelika Solomons lo equalize ukube uphasile lapha waphasa uvele baye ngabe sikhuluma olunye udaba uthi Chiefs ngabe elite ekuqala Chiefs bafethu bene game enhle kakhulu yona create more chances abukeke emnandi not ama half chances kune Al Masry but nje positive side kwimbofana contribution ngibonile ichemistry kuma players spirit within the players bafethu ngisibonile kwiChiefs kukhulu ngasibonisa khona going forward and yabona Al Masry masibuye izodlala ningizima Africa obvious ucaca lonke umuntu njengezinqazesela ukuthi izoyiluza lo game and ama changes eChiefs ngiwathanda kakhulu ungena amaBoa abaMakhlo bakwazile ukumanage igame bakwazile ukushintsha igame iChiefs ibe dangerous kakhulu asenzela ama sub no Silva what a player iChiefs emtholile lapha kuphuma ugandaganda uIgodaro kungena uDa Silva what a player because even iChiefs yabona uconsider kwama goal penalty engagculisi umdlali weAl Masry yena uzise goalkeeper bafethu masikhuluma iqiniso but ke I think iVAR ezinye zezinto emele ibheke leziyana Miguel even yellow card ayitholile unnecessary Chiefs mele ithi kumbhenja kancane discipline azi ukuthi umdlali umele enze negroundini but ke all in all bafethu iChiefs kwazile ukudlala away kweEgypt yafike yakwazi ukuthi ichallenge yaletha igame Al Masry yakwazi ukuthi iyadlala nje leli bhola labo vele elicasulayo ukuthi kancane uref bamphoqa ukuthi mele judge bafuna ama yellow card baya complain now and then but ke South Africans azofika mase ngapha bebatreat kahle kamnandi because angazi bancengini kulamazwe ase-Africa angafuni ukubona eSouth Africa iya phambili ba complain nange bafana baya complain lento babeyenzile kuyiPirates babayenzile na kuyiPirates bayenza na kuSundowns bayenza neChiefs but still ba happy ngalokho anyway good game for imbofana but ama results awekho positive
Kapunjalo fethu Miguel Iheanacho bafethu abona masikhuluma iqiniso ngalomjidelo he's been making mistakes for Kaizer Chiefs in that center back position so ukuthi namhlanje mistake yakhe led to a goal for Al Masry bafethu the man if you look at nje his defending style since Africa Kaizer Chiefs he's the first defender actually he's the first player for Kaizer Chiefs to get a yellow card. Wonke ama game abo. He's going to be the first player who's going to get a yellow card for Kaizer Chiefs. Yangithola even you look at the first half early game le bafethu Miguel Iheanacho dala yenza ama mistake bafethu in that center back position and namhlanje he made a big mistake and Al Masry punished his mistake bafethu yazowabamoshela umsebenzi umntana abantu bafethu yazowamosha umsebenzi wabantu bafethu after working hard iKaizer Chiefs bafethu they didn't have a game plan they wanted a draw they happened to get a goal to equalize then Miguel Iheanacho bafethu wawamosha umsebenzi wabanye abantwana bafethu but if you've been quite honest imistake nje bafethu has been coming for Miguel Iheanacho it's been coming bafethu yangithola like I said he's the first player to get a yellow card for Kaizer Chiefs in each and every game. He's the first player for Kaizer Chiefs to get a yellow card. Salute bafethu.
Ngibonile nje Sundowns win izolo ndatsho nathi hayi thula wena yezi Chiefs yethu siyaziyo izawe shaya edume ngazo yo ndinayo ne flu hello sisi ngicela ukuzazi office Kaizer Chiefs ezo oh yes uthena noTumelo Trom speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates yes ne president yabalandeli bebhola Africa yonke jikelele every Africa ewe nguye Shapa! We are very excited. Hey, thina siya be careful. Nithule nina. Hey, aningeni ndawo, anikho be careful. Yafika disciplinary committee Al-Masri. Shapa Al-Masri, shapa! We are very excited. Sorry? Andihleki sis, andihleki. Ndizoni motivator sis uba noko ayikapheli wena, it's not over. Ukuziva motivational speaker xa sisitsho, at least nisezawuphinde nidlale nabo. It's not over until bade banibethe kakhulu next time. Shapa! We are very excited. Hayi madoda, buyani madoda nizapha.
Hey, international break is over. We're back to square one. You're a professional player, professional. You do this job every single day. You wake up Monday to Friday, 8:30, 9, or 8 to 10. You're training. First session, you come again. Second session, afternoon session, you're back at training again. You always kick the ball. So your timing is always on. You got an eye for the ball. When it's in the game, you miss it. Why did the international break end? Now we're back to this pain. Is this what we're back to? And I predicted a draw. But then someone kicks nothing. I'm not going to criticize anybody. Besides that, he had a good game, but I don't trust him. I still am not fully behind him. He's too rational. Everything he goes in wholeheartedly, jumping with his elbow, because there could have been a red card sent out there. Everything he goes at 110%. No, bro, relax. Like you saw even that miss. He was, I don't know when he wanted to kick the ball outside the stadium. Just clear it. Yeah, he wants to kick it through. He wants to actually pop the ball here. Are we back? And Al-Masri is probably one of the weakest sides in the group. Next is Zamalek at home at Peter Mokaba. But maybe it's a big name, Zamalek. Maybe then we'll wake up and rock up. Packed Peter Mokaba Stadium full. Please, Peter Mokaba guys, hey, please go to the stadium. Maybe a full stadium will wake these boys up, because I don't know what I watched today. Boring. They looked like they were rusty. Didn't create many chances. I don't even know what to say about that game. Nothing. I don't know what to say. Starting lineup, and then we're back to the default settings of lineups. I'm not gonna call nobody by name, but there's someone left wing. He can't pass to find an opponent. Doesn't cross. When he crosses, it just goes. I don't know where it even goes out. Gets to he dribbles, gets to the box. I don't know what happens. But yeah, that's the game, I guess. Stellenbosch won, Sundowns won, Kaizer Chiefs loses.
Al-Masri of Egypt 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Full time. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, the Glamour Boys. What more could you ask for? Sold out affair. It was a packed stadium. Attendance. So congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Managed to go away to Egypt to fill the stadium, which is what they are all about. Attendance. Wow, what a team. Big team indeed. Yeah, the stadium was full. What the result? No, don't look at the result. We're not about that as Kaizer Chiefs. We don't care about the result. Attendance. We're a big team. Yeah, the Giants of South Africa. Yeah, attendance.
It was a bad.
Konje phela besingabuye senze njani eGibhithe sesithenjiswa ibhamu namabhomu. Usengawina kanjani udlala ngokusaba utshengisiwe isibhamu nebhomu so wawina nje. Hey. Kodwa akusenani.
Okay, I want to talk about this guy Umori. Ukhuluma ukuthi i-Chiefs attendance wara. The Chiefs was playing away. I'm a Paris fan, but in this case, I have to defend Chiefs. Like, Chiefs was playing away. So, if the Chiefs nami dlala away, mangithi away angisho ukuthi away like eDurban or Pietermaritzburg. Away e-Egypt. Expect ukuthi i-stadium sigcwala ama-fans e-Chiefs. Kanjani? Ngathi uyakhohlwa bese ukuthi e-Egypt ifana nala South Africa, the only two big teams is Amaleki ne-Al Ahly. The Pirates, the Chiefs. Or Almaz or Pyramids bayafana ne Sundowns. You guys are in the same group of teams. You guys, you compete, but nibancane. Often based, bruh. Almaz yafana ne Pyramids. Okay, even though Almaz is older than Pyramids, but I know even based yafana ne Al Ahly Zamalek. I don't know why it's attendance. Bruh, it's literally the first game of the Lokuzan. If I know if Al Masry goes all the way to the semi-finals, attendance is on you. That's just a given, bruh. Because nothing accumulated in the Paris last season with Al Ahly, Egypt. The stadium wasn't packed like it was packed against Sundowns because they knew what the AMA group stages, they don't really mean that much. You know? So come on, bruh, chill. Then coming into the game, our 50 game wasn't entertaining in the first half. I was literally bored. I was bored in the first half because I didn't understand ukuthi amateam ayasabana or ubani wasekhaya or who's dominating the ball. It was all over, like game everywhere. But second half, I believe ukuthi Al Masry stepped it up a notch and that forced the Chiefs to go now iphakamisa level kancane. And that resulted in the game kind of like second half was better than the first half. Second half was better. You saw Al Masry like really trying to dominate the ball, and you saw Chiefs like being deadly on the counter. And yeah, but Al Masry phetha too says like ile team njengibonayo ukuthi mayifika la South African phethe yoshaba phethe Chiefs, and the Chiefs might go all the way to the finals with Confed. But let's be honest, Buffett, Confed is weak. Confed amateam Confed are better than phethe weak in fact. Okay, bakhona with that, but Iona and the team esibonayo ukuthi mhlambe can compete with the Chiefs because the Chiefs might be playing bad, but they can still get some results. They can still get some results. Maybe misela abantu be-Chiefs because they don't have quality Paris ne Chiefs, but they do have quality. uVilakazi is a quality player, bra. Into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo leyo. I still don't understand ukuthi why Umori starts ahead of uVilakazi. Yabona le mfethu I'll never understand mfethu because Umori solokhu ibhola yaqala. Siyamazi from Arrows. Akamdluli nje mfethu uVilakazi ngebhola. Akekho ngcono ngebhola kunoVilakazi mfethu. I'm a Paris fan, bro. I'm a Paris fan, and I can tell you right now, Wusi, I enjoy watching Vilakazi, bro. It's not just enjoying ukuthi umnandi, but he has end product, bro. He has a little left foot. He has a dangerous cross. He can score free kicks. Umodi wenzani umodi timini? Umodi wenzani umodi, bro? Just qala ngovele uqale ngoVilakazi, bro. If they don't take usofaka uDuplessis ke begijima begcwala ground, but uVilakazi, bro, we need Vilakazi in the game, bro. Even though mncane ngomzimba, but it might be hard for ukuthi adlale eAfrica, but you need him, bro. I-creativity yakhe, that left foot uyayidinga mfethu teamini. And going to their best defender lapha kwi-Chiefs, uMiguel Ignacio. uMiguel solokhu afika mfethu akakaze bemnandi. Akakaze lo mjito kwamnandi. Angazi ukuthi the time ibhandi belinika yena babecabangeni i-Chiefs mfethu. uMiguel uyadlisa mfethu uMiguel. Umiguel is qhang mfethu yazi makuthiwa umuntu uyidlapha. Ama-unnecessary fouls, ama-yellow cards, abelabeka i-team under pressure for no reason mfethu uMiguel. Le missing ayimise namhlanje mfethu mfethu. I have nothing to say about that. Into nje engihappy ngayo ukuthi finally namhlanje there are some Chiefs fans who are going to realize ukuthi uMiguel is not who you guys think he is. You guys need Msimango back. I play Msimango ahead of Umiguel anytime. You guys need to do it back. Because Ukunika Ubile and he's playing really well. The only weakest link lapha Ignacio. imivumi igcwele. Yo. Hayi bafethu. Anyways, that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Please make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you guys ngevideo ezayo makudlala iPirates. Yeah, ngiyabonga.